How many? Three types of variables are there. What are those? Instance, static, local. For which variables JVM will be automatically providing them with their default values? Instance and static. What is the default value of float? 0. Default value of boolean. False or true? Default value of int. Default value of char. Slash u 4 zeros. But you will not be able to get that in your console. Why? Because it is a non-printable character. Okay. Now, instance variables and static variables. Whenever you are speaking about these instance variables and static variables, guys, kindly please do remember very important difference. That is instance variable. For every instance, a separate copy will be maintained. A separate copy will be created. Static variables. How many copies of static variables will be available? Only one. Can we write a static variable inside a static method? Can we write a static variable inside a static method? Listen to my question correctly. I did not ask can we access. I said can we write. Static variable can never be local variable. What are local variables? The variables which are declared inside a method, block, or a constructor. Okay. What is the use of a constructor? To initialize the object. Only one rule, only one use. To provide the values for the instance. Come on, guys. Your answers should be complete. Don't give me incomplete answers. Please, once again. What is the use of a constructor? Please tell me. First use, to initialize the object. Second use, to provide the values for the instance variables. How many types of constructors are there? What are those? Default and parameterized. When you're speaking about default constructor, in how many ways default constructor will be available in your program? 2 ways. What are those? First one is provided by the compiler. Second one is given by the programmer. When compiler will be providing your program with a default constructor? If there are no constructors present in your program. If there are no constructors present in your program, then and then only compiler will be providing your program with a default constructor. And in constructors, very important point is, you need to initialize the class object with the available constructors.
Recording in progress.
What is the use of a private constructor? If we are making our constructor as private, other classes cannot access our class methods. How? Why? Why they cannot access our class methods? Constructor is private. If they want to create an object of our class, they need to use our class constructor, but our class constructor is declared as private. The scope of private access modifier is only within the class. Other classes cannot access them. Other classes cannot access them. So if you face a question, what is the difference between a constructor and a method? Can you answer? Tell me. What is the difference between an instance variable, static variable? Can you answer? Instance method, static method. Can you answer? Yes or no? Inside a static method, can I access a static variable? Inside a static method, can I access a static variable? Non-static variable? Yes or no? Yes, I can, but by using class object. How many ways we can access a static variable? What are those? Identifier, class object, class name. How many ways we can access an instance variable? What are those? Identifier and class object. If instance variable name and local variable name are same, first priority will be given to the static variables and local variables. First priority will be given to the local variable. Instance variable and static variable. Instance variable and static variable. We will be getting an error here. Error. Compile time error. Compile time error. We cannot have same name for instance variable and static variable. I already said that. Kindly please do remember that, guys. Okay. Now, right. So operators, I believe you know increment, decrement, relational, arithmetic, logical operators. And regarding static also, what is a static variable? How many ways we can access a static variable? How many copies of static variable are created or maintained? What is a static method? What is a static block? What is the priority of a static block? For example, in our Java program, how many static blocks we can write? Any number of static blocks. When they will be getting executed? Whenever we are executing our program. Can we call the static block? No, we cannot call the static block. If your Java program is having a static variable and a static block, first priority will be given to the static order. In which order you have given. Why? Because for static variables and static block, you will be having equal priorities. What is the priority of static method? Static method. It's not like priority. Static method will be getting executed just like any normal method, but you need to call it. Whenever you are calling a static method, at that particular time only static method will be getting executed. So after that, we had seen typecasting. You already know what is typecasting. Converting one data type into another data type. How many types of typecastings are there? What are those? What do you mean by implicit typecasting? Converting. Say converting. Smaller to larger. What do you mean by explicit typecasting? Converting larger data type to smaller data type. So these are all the concepts which we had covered up to now, right from our starting days of our class. Now, guys, a small tip for you. Just a small tip for you. Whenever you are going to an interview, always try to give direct answer, gunshot answer. See, guys, Java interviews are easy. Why I am saying this? Because same questions will be repeated for every Java interview. Same questions. If you give the direct gunshot answer, follow-up questions will not be there. Follow-up questions will not be there. For example, if I ask you, if I declare a class as private, can I have same file name and class name? Immediately you should be saying that a class can't be declared as private. Are you understanding me, guys? Basing on your answer, follow-up questions will be coming in interview. If you are giving the correct answer, complete answer. Don't say one word answer. Correct answer, complete answer. Then follow-up questions will not be there. Interviewer will search for a question to ask you. Don't give the scope. Don't give the scope. Are you understanding me, guys? So Java interviews are literally fun here. Fun. Okay. Enjoy the interview. And once again, I'm saying you reduce your heartbeat. When you're going to interview, don't get scared. Don't get scared. If you are getting scared, then what will be happening? The way which you answer can't be done. I hope you're understanding me. Okay. And in interviews, communication skills also plays a very, 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 very crucial role. If you are having good communication skills, your answer, if you are having 40% of your knowledge, you can project that as 80%. If you are having poor communication skills, even though you are having 80% knowledge, that will be projected as 40% only. So please increase your communication skills. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. If you are getting scared, what is the use? Guys, 4 to 5 months, you are preparing for 10 to 15 minutes interview time. Are you understanding me? These 4 to 5 months, you are preparing for that interview only, right? So you must be excited for interview. Don't get scared. All right. So next QA sessions, I'll be trying to conduct after completing OOPS features. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. See you tomorrow. Anjani, every day I'm trying to share the notes in the Google Classroom. It's already there, Amma. Kindly please check. Kindly please check. Please check. All right, online students. See you on not tomorrow. See you on Monday, not tomorrow. Tomorrow in the sense Monday. Tomorrow in the sense Monday, guys. Okay. Tomorrow there is no class. Tomorrow is Sunday. Take a break. Take a break. No class tomorrow. Okay. OOPS will start soon, Syed. It will take time. Please wait. I'll inform you. Don't force. I'll inform you. Wait for it. Okay, Syed. Yeah. Happy Sunday, guys. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic weekend. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.